Alright, Team Hapinoy, our breakfast for today is coffee, bread, empanada. So I think, imagine mo sa street food lang, marami ka na mabibili dito sa Phnom Penh. At marami pa rin naman mapagpipilian if you want good cook food. Yeah. So, tikman natin to in a few. Balik muna tayo sa hotel. Magkano kaya?
No sugar.
No sugar. How much coffee? Hot, ah?
Yeah, 4,000 real.
4,000.
And one more hot coffee with milk. Sweet. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Nang lala. Apram Roy, go. Go. Apram Roy. Pagmantan, ha? Thank you.
What's that?
Hot water.
Okay.
You need more hot water?
Yes. Espresso, no?
No espresso.
No espresso.
Yes, this one Americano.
Donut? What is this?
Pao. Pao? No feeling.
Ah, numpao.
What else? Do you like this?
What's that?
I don't know.
What is this?
No feeling.
No.
Clang.
Ha?
Clang.
Nung clang. Okay. Ayun lang.
Dalawa lang to.
Ikaw. Isa pa. Doon, donut. Tikman mo.
Dalawa lang.
Isa pa. One more.
One.
Ito, ano to? O, ito isa.
Oh, no. This one.
One. Okay.
How much?
How much?
6,500.
6,000.
Then,
Six-
2,000.
3,000.
3,500.
Alright. Go.
This one is 4,500. It's hot coffee with sweetened milk.
Mine is just black and it costs
4,000.
4,000. Plus our bread for today. So, tikman na. Cheers! Alright, Team Hapinoy, our breakfast for today is coffee, bread, empanada. So I think imagine mo sa street food lang, marami ka na mabibili dito sa Phnom Penh. At marami pa rin naman mapagpipilian if you want good cook food. Yeah. Right. So tikman natin to in a few. Balik muna tayo sa hotel. And here's the coffee. Mabango ang kape, mga Hapinoy travelers. Coffee smells good. Let's try it now. Oh, it's so strong. It's so nice. Just my kind of cup of coffee. Sa mga bitter, this bitter coffee is better. Bitter is better, mga Hapinoy travelers. So, this is the empanada. Yeah. You saw that right. Konti lang ang laman ng kalahati. Pero yung kalahati ay medyo puno. So, nagkamali lang ng hati. Mukhang ang laman ay vegetable. May onions ako nakikita. Yan. So, tikman natin. Hapinoys. Masarap siya. Medyo matamis yung loob. Yeah, pero so far okay sarap So far okay naman lahat ng street food dito sa Phnom Penh sa Cambodia. Sa Cambodia. Coffee is good with this for breakfast. Converted into dollars, ang kinain lang namin is like $3 total. 2 coffees, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of bread. Not bad. Ito naman, Hapinoy travelers. Ano kaya ito? What's in the tinapay? So, let's try to So, walang laman yung kabilang side. Yung kabila kaya ay wala ding laman. Parang may margarine. Pero may sesame seed. Okay, so tikman natin. Hapinoys. Parang siyang pandesal na may sesame seed. Alright. Kain tayo.
So, this one, yung empanada looking nila. Okay. Wow, crunchy, Tito E, Crunchy to, In fairness, okay siya, Wala. Lagyan ko na ng konting ng meat. Ano ba to? Hindi ko makita kung ano laman, Tito E.
Tikim-tikim na lang. Tapos namnamin mo. Then tell me what you taste.
Empanada nga.
Exactly.
Oo, empanada.
Alam mo yung mga empanadang...
Parang may potato din.
Alam mo yung mga empanadang binibenta sa bus? Chicken empanada, na ang laman ay puro patatas. Yan yun. Pero ito, shredded. Kasi sa Pilipinas, yung chicken empanada, cubes.
Ito walang laman.
Yan, walang laman.
With sesame. Lasang sesame. Malakas ang lasa ng sesame. Pero sesame seeds are very good sa katawan natin.
Yan.
This is healthy.
Yan.
Tinapay na may sesame seeds.
Parang pandesal nga.
Parang pandesal. Okay. Good food. Thank you.
Goodbye, Silvermount Hotel. So we are now on our way going to the bus station. So the driver of the tuk-tuk fetched us from our lobby going to the bus station. And travel time will take about, I don't know, probably less than 10 minutes because our bus leaves at 8:30. So they are on time when they pick us up. Good job. Goodbye, Phnom Penh.
Thank you, Doctor.
Goodbye, Cambodia. Cambodia. Check. Baliktad. Check.
Check. Thumbs up. And